Assalamu alaikum everyone. NASA Space App Challenge has always been a great opportunity or platform for innovators to show their innovation which can be used in the future. We are really glad to present our team for NASA Space App Challenge 2022, the team Kryptonite. I am MD Mahfuz Rahman. I have with me MD Mohammed Hassan, Rifat Amin Ria, MD Khalid Zakim and MD Abdul Malik. At a certain point of our life, we all wanted to explore. Many of us wanted to explore beyond the sky. Multiples of galaxies, millions of stars and star systems. But we cannot reach those stars and planets yet because we are not technologically evolved. But in astronomy, if we cannot reach an object, we can observe it by using great and enormous telescopes, by which NASA has developed many great telescopes which have given us unforgettable results. Based on one of those telescopes, our today's project, or the project for this challenge, is Project Cocola Gem. It is an interactive and educative game based on James Webb Space Telescopes. At the very beginning, at the home page of our game, we'll get to know more about the whole telescope, how it actually works, what are the parts of the telescope. We'll have a 3D view or animated video of the telescope to teach the user and educate the user more about the telescope. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope is the largest and most powerful and most complex space science telescope ever built. Now, if we actually dive into the actual game and start the game, then the game is divided into three portions, the level or three levels. Firstly, the easy level, which is called by the level Cadbury. Here we have two sessions, the learning session and the game session. In the learning session, some difference between James Webb Space Telescope and other telescopes will be given. And the gamer will have to determine the difference between the telescopes. The gamer will be given two images to begin with. The gamer will have to identify which telescope has captured which images. Or we also can give the user the name of the telescope, and the user will have to determine which image is taken by which telescope. After completing the game or this session or this level, the user will get few coins, which are the basic currency of the game, and which is called by the Cocola candy. To get specific Cocola candy, the user will be promoted to the next level. If you go to the next level, it is the intermediate level, the level 2 or the level KitKat. Here we also have two sessions, the learning session and the game session. Here, gamer will learn more about the features and capabilities of James Webb Space Telescope to do better in this level. The user will get to know which orbit the space telescope is actually orbiting Earth, how it is communicating with the Earth station or ground station, when it was actually developed, who were actually involved in the development. There will be some quiz from the learning session to emphasize this knowledge. And in this session, the user will be interacting and answering this quiz to earn more of the currencies or the Cocola candy to get to the next level. And at the last and the most difficult level, which is called by the sneaker level, it also have two sessions, the learning session and the game session. James Webb Space Telescope gives clean, detailed images than other telescopes. This session describes about the image quality which is taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. And we'll also learn about how James Webb Telescope actually take the pictures and why it has more detailed and more quality images. Then at the game session, the images taken by any telescope will be given to the gamer. And he will have to determine how it would look like if it was taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. Then we'll give the user a specific puzzle to solve, and they will have to solve the puzzle to actually complete the full game. After completing the level, gamer will get a certificate, and they can also share it with their friends in the social media platforms or any other platform. Thank you very much for giving your precious time, and we're really hoping to work on this project together, and we want to improve the different features of this specific game.